Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with day 8. So on the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me another die set. Love it! Mushrooms! Yay! Love a good mushroom. Spellbinders had some fabulous mushrooms this year, didn't they? Envelope of Wonder, the autumn version. So maybe this is something that you can incorporate with that set, because there's nothing nicer than having mushroom in different sizes, right? Alrighty, so let's take a look. Oh, this is cute. This can definitely work with Autumn Wonder. So these are the mushrooms. Love. This one, you can get plenty of mileage all year round, especially if you love your mushrooms. This is that little detail that you put there. So you can choose to use it or not. And then these are drop-ins. So you could do your mushroom as solid or with the details. I love the dot detail. All right, let's take a look at my example. Here is my December 8th example. And this mushroom die set did bring me back into that fall feel. I made this cute little note card in these fall colors, the browns, that little pop of red. To do the mushroom and the caps, you would cut the background color. In my case, that is Spellbinders Alabaster cardstock. The red on top, this is Spellbinders Poppy Field. To do the Poppy Field, then you add the drop-in. This is a time when you want to use your Spellbinders yellow tape, which is the best ever craft tape. You just tape a little piece, run it through. This piece will go in here. This is actually on top of this. So the red is all the way around, and then you put this piece on the top. And then here, these are the stalks. This is the small mushroom. That's the tall mushroom. And then these are the little, I don't know what they're called. Fungi fuzzies? I don't know. Fungi fuzzies? The little fuzzies. So I came on with different shades of cream cardstock from my stash. So you can see that the alabaster is different than these two. I just pulled all different brands of creams that I have just to give that variation. I didn't want this to be too dark. But I did come on with a little bit of ink blending with some Gina K Sandy Beach ink. That's a very light brown. So loving this. I think I showed you this on day 7. I'm coming back again with day 8. This is the Waffle Flower Shader 1 Plus brush. I so love this. So I just came in and like with the browns. I could use this one, which I did use, or I could have also, I keep forgetting to use this. This is the Shader 2 Plus. I could have done this as well. Come in and brush on because this is smaller. If I wanted to go even tinier with the detail. So this one is really nice too. And this one also gives you lines. If you hold it straight up and down, line. I will link my review video here because I really love these. So expect to see me talking about them over and over. These are new and improved brushes, but boy, they are really new and improved brushes. So much so I went back and I purchased sets and added to this whole collection. I want to cover all the colors. So I did the ink blending here. Some more intense ink blending here. This is Spellbinders Latte. I did come on with a little bit of white pigment ink just to highlight my mushrooms. And this is one of my by far favorite fall embossing folders. This is the Mushroom Harvest. It's a fabulous 3D embossing folder. This is a 3D embossing folder of the month back in September. So you can only purchase this at Spellbinders. 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. Just such beautiful detail. If you look on the Spellbinders website, I'm providing a link for everything that I'm talking about below. You look at this item. Some people ran this embossing folder with like watercolor cardstock or something, and then they came in and painted. Oh, there are 2 examples with this. Oh, they're beautiful. If you just want to see inspiration of where you could really take this. I looked at that picture and I stuck a pin in it like, okay, next fall. I didn't do it here because I really wanted to highlight these 2. Because if I had all of this color going on in the background, I think it would have been too much. But I kept this more quiet and just highlighted right here. So this is a fantastic embossing folder that inspired crafters to really just play and explore. The sentiment, just a note to say thanks. This is the Sentiments of Wonder, currently in the BOGO sale. 2 thumbs up. This is a fabulous set, loads of sentiments. And I chose just a note to say. I love that it's small. So sometimes you just want something like this. And it's just a note to say thanks. And there's another one, just a note to say hello. It's so small that, yes, I butchered the back of my storage, but I had to write out what each one says because I can't read it like this. But when you press it out, it's just so gorgeous. Like, it's delicate. It handles the ink well. It's looking like you stamped it with a very clear ink. It's not even looking like you heat emboss it, because heat embossing something like this, you would blur certain things. It's just beautiful. This is on bisque cotton card panel. That's the off-white. And then this is also Better Press bark ink. I love the combination of the bisque and the bark. In the back here, Lawn Fawn pattern paper. I'll put a link for that below. And then I finished it off with some gold mixed gems. Now the rest of the card, I'm using Franz Frames. This is a fabulous die set. I love it. Even if you are not a fan of slimline cards and slimline dies, there is lots of fun to be had right in here. As you can see, it's a great frame with a matting layer in different sizes. I didn't want to have a whole slimline card because I just have 2 little mushrooms. So I ran this and then cut it down. That's what you see here. Embossed that detail and then popped on this label. I'm using this as like a little label focal point with my mushrooms together and the note. This background, this now is, how much is it? 4 inches wide. I could have gone a little bit narrow if I wanted, but I wanted to offset this a little bit. So I like that I pushed it off from here. So this is Franz Frames, Sentiments of Wonder, and Mushroom Harvest. All 3 are having fun with this beautiful Day 8 mushroom set. Love, 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 love. Okay, crafters, everything, like I said, will be detailed and linked below. Don't forget the BOGO sale. Some of these items I just showed you are in the BOGO sale. Also, 12 days of giveaways. We're now at day 8. It is coming to an end. Daily giveaway. You can enter on social media, Instagram, Facebook. Also, I will provide a link below so you can enter on Spellbinders website itself. Yay! And on day 12, the grand prize is the original platinum machine. That's the large format die cutting machine. Also, you will get the XL universal plate system. It's a fabulous prize. Alrighty, crafters. Until December 9th, stay crafty, my friends. Look at my little mushrooms. This is so fabulous. Alrighty, crafters. Stay crafty, my friends.